There are thousands of VTubers out there, hundreds affiliated with companies, and so many more streaming independently. If you're trying to grow an audience, you have to think long and hard about what makes you special. I'm not saying you have to be a professional gamer or artist or anything, you just need something that you're passionate about. If one day you stream cooking, another you stream GTA, another stream driving, you might struggle to find yourself an audience. If you already have an audience, there will be people who follow you for you as a person and are willing to watch whatever you produce. But if you're just starting, you really want to establish who you are so like-minded people can find you. I am no professional artist, but I am one, so before I even debuted, I posted my work every week. I love to cook. Food is a big part of my life, so I posted pictures of what I made every week too. When I started streaming, I started off with games, but I talked about food and art. I later started doing art streams and even cooking streams. At this point, I had people who liked me for me and would pop into my chat no matter what I was doing. This is what every streamer wants, an audience who will follow you or whatever adventure you set out for yourself. Depending on your type of community, you might need to ease into exploring different topics more than others, but it's good to show off your best qualities, or what you're most passionate about right from the start, so it's no big surprise when you want to branch off. Many people, streamers and content creators alike, get themselves stuck in one niche since they were doing it for so long. Many people lose their passion this way, so if you feel like streaming has become another chore and you don't want to do it anymore, then take a break, reevaluate why you're doing it now and why you wanted to do it when you started. Some people say they have nothing special about them, but that in itself is special. Having no passion means you can learn about people's passions. You can explore and discover with how vast the internet is. So even if you think you won't stand out in this vast world of different types of people, somewhere to someone, you will. I hope this helped you in some way. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or pop into one of my streams. If you want to know what you should keep in mind before debuting as a VTuber, I have some more videos covering that, like the tech you need and how to choose a design. More VTuber tips are on the way, so I hope to see you again. Bye bye!